come down the back street, this is what I love about Bali. The restaurant out the front, a suckering pig place called Bubby Gulling. So you eat at the restaurant, or the locals know where to come, and that's here. You follow the noise, you see it all being chopped up out there. The salad's being made, but the best part is here. This is where the pigs are roasted. Suck shit, people. This is living. So this is what I had for breakfast. So the soup is being made and the pigs are being roasted.
Foto, oh kamera.